pints per 24 hours rating. This thing is a monster for reliability. It's survived years of just neglect and abuse, and I gave it its first bath, true bath, since brand new. Has no filter. R22. Greased up the motor. It has to dehumidify this basement, which is way too much of a load for it, but it certainly does its job. So I'm going to take it in the basement and fire it up. And yes, this is when Whirlpool actually built good electronic controls. Beginning, my 8 just got its first overheating flash warning. I thought my 6 only did that, but apparently not. This doesn't have a GFCI plug, so I can do this one-handed. Let's see. Oh. Not to mention, I have to tighten some stuff. You can hear it vibrating. See, usually have a brick. Oh, that dumb bucket switch. What is that? I'll reset the control. Running the fan. And that compressor is so quiet. This thing is amazingly quiet. I feel it pulling air through here. It's gonna pull air from all around itself to cool itself off. It's super neat. I'll take it back inside and get what is happening. And get a better video of it. Alright. It's been running for the past few hours. And my flash is not communicating. But there's water. Oil's nice and wet. We never leave it on continuous. I generally set it to auto dry and a little bit below top dry so that it does have time to cycle off. And the air is so much stronger pulling out of here. Now, what's funny is it feeds its liquid up here and it travels to the bottom. It's doing so well that it actually goes off into the capillary tube at the very bottom. Once you get to the bottom of the coil, it's actually cold air. Like, it's actually cooling off the condenser so much that it's barely warm, and then it just gets colder and colder, and then it's like almost as cold as the evaporator. This thing kicks compared to any new junk. And it's still got the original control, compressor, fan motor. Fan motor got lubrication. Frickin' thing chugs and chugs. That's all it does. It's nice and quiet. It's pulling a nice draft. This thing was hideously disgusting. It's sat over there, but I have it in the open now to pay attention to it, and it certainly does its job. It's an R22 system too, and it's still fully charged. Certainly doing its job. Now I'll kick it down into low speed. It's low speed. Now what's funny is this machine was ran on max on as dry as it'll go. Look at the difference in the LED. Oh, it actually won't even switch. Look at the difference in brightness. Now look at the difference in brightness on this one. See how dim that is compared to continuous? Look at low and high compared to continuous and auto dry. She's abused. Here we go, back on high. And it kicks. It certainly kicks. You know, now it's little, I messed up the coil, but I got the coil all straightened out, but it's still not perfect. You know, nothing's perfect. It's funny, there's a plant growing in here. I don't know how that's possible. This old house has a dirt room. This has the only thing is it's got a China-made motor and compressor. They work well, both of them. So since I've proven its merit, why don't we pull this away and check its water level. It must be really dry. It's not removing, it's very dirty. It's not removing a lot of moisture. It's not icing up or anything. It must be really dry down here. So. Just check the different settings. I think the humidistat still does work in this machine. The front panel is broken, so it does lift. And the controller, someone broke the clip on the side, so it doesn't sit level anymore. That's about it. There you go. A very reliable Whirlpool dehumidifier.